Okay, Charlie at 6 months old. Show us how to do it. Charlie. Oh! Charlie! Hi. Hi. There you go. Scooch it up. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Yeah, oh sorry, I keep distracting you, don't I? Oh, there you go. Making some good strides, bud. Good job, Charlie. Good job. You were doing it. You're gonna go right past your toy and straight to Gracie's. Yeah, good job.